Multifunction digital multimeter with voltage, current measurement, NCV detection, capacitance, resistance, diode measurement, data retention, backlight and flashlight. AC voltage measurement can directly switch frequency when measuring AC. Switching function, DC voltage, DC regulated power supply measurement display. Capacitance measurement, which can be measured by connecting both sides. Switching function, resistance measurement, which can be measured by connecting both sides. Diode measurement, corresponding to positive and negative poles. Buzzer, check whether the line is on or off. Accuracy comparison, compared with the desktop multimeter, the value is very accurate. DC current measurement, the current must be in series, not directly measured. AC current, measuring current must be in series, not directly measured. NCV detection will emit a beam. Flashlight display, easy to measure in the dark.